Imagine a dangerously reactive metal, sodium, and a poisonous gas, chlorine. Separately, they're trouble, but together, they form the salt on your dinner table. This transformation is the magic of ionic bonding, a marriage of opposites. At the heart of this union is a universal desire for stability. Atoms, like people, want to be content. For most, this means having a perfect set of 8 outer electrons, the magic number known as the octet rule. To reach this magic number, a dramatic exchange happens. A metal, like sodium, has 1 extra electron it's desperate to get rid of. A nonmetal, like chlorine, is just 1 electron short of a perfect 8. So the metal gives and the nonmetal takes. Sodium loses a negative electron, becoming a positive ion called a cation. Chlorine gains 1, becoming a negative anion. Now they are oppositely charged, and like tiny magnets, they attract. This isn't a physical glue, it's an invisible force called electrostatic attraction. And it doesn't just happen with one pair. Trillions of these positive and negative ions pull together, arranging themselves into a perfectly ordered 3D repeating pattern called a crystal lattice, a massive microscopic city of ions. This rigid city explains their properties. It takes immense heat to break the lattice apart, giving them high melting points. But hit it with a hammer and you shift the layers. Positive ions align with positive ions. They repel violently, and the crystal shatters. That's why salt is brittle. And while the ions are locked in this solid grid, they can't conduct electricity. But melt them or dissolve them in water, and the ions are free to move, carrying a current. From the salt in our food to the minerals in the Earth's crust, this simple act of giving and taking builds the solid world around us.